Today, we're going to talk about how Bitcoin and Ether dip in bearish Asia sessions, as well as how China rate cut fails to inspire people to buy the dip. Guys, people are moving to safe havens. We're also going to look into the charts and see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here to Crypto Black. Back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. I know I am. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Man, the festivities is nice. Hope you guys go out there with your families, having a good time. Hope you guys finish up on some of that those holiday shopping, Christmas shopping, whatever holidays you Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. Hope you guys are finishing up on shopping and spending time with your family. This is the time of year where you spend time with your family. Me personally, I really don't do too much towards the last 2 weeks. Usually the 15th is usually my cutoff. But I love you guys, so I had to come in and drop a video. So this will probably be my last video for the year. So I just want to come in and drop the video. People want to know what's going on, what's the problem, why is Bitcoin keep going down, why is it falling? So fear is what makes it fall, guys. Fear is what makes it fall. So, but before that, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, hit that like button right now. But besides that, guys, yeah, so that's what makes it fear is the number one thing. Then, guys, make sure you guys check out our website, Crypto Black Beginners Course. You guys can come over here, check out our website. You can go check out our podcast. You guys come over here and check out our beginners course. Our beginners course, we cover crypto security, coin market cap. We cover DeFi and staking, passive income, guys. Also, we cover how to use different exchanges, blockchain tutorial, how to look at your crypto on a blockchain. Also, what is Bitcoin? A lot of people don't know what is Bitcoin. Also, how to read charts and everything. Now, I try to tell people. Before that. Guys, the link below, we have the in the description below, in the description box below, the link, we have the actual mastermind report. So if you guys want to be ready for this stuff, when these markets drop, these things fall, you guys had a report to tell you exactly what's going on. It's in the description below. And also starting next year, we're actually going to have everybody that have the master, get that mastermind report, through that link below. They're going to I'm going to put them inside my Telegram. They're going to have the beginner's course included. The beginner's course is going to be included in that mastermind report. So the beginner's course will come for free in that mastermind report, as long as you have long as you're subscribed to the mastermind report. And on top of that, you guys will be inside my special Telegram group where we're going to chop it up. So, guys, you're going to get a lot of good stuff inside that Telegram group. That's all I'm going to say. But, guys, I try to tell people, if you follow me on Twitter, you already know. You follow me on Twitter, you already know. On Twitter, guys, if you aren't following me, follow me at the Crypto Black, but I told people on the 18th, I'm taking profits in Luna and AVAX. Full moon tomorrow. Don't get caught up. That's what I told people. I told people full moon on the 19th. I said it's on the 18th right here. Don't get caught up. And did you guys get caught up? So it says Bitcoin Ether dip in bearish Asia session as China rate cuts falls to inspire risk buying. Bitcoin has carved out most of its year-to-date gains during the American hours. Now it says Bitcoin has seen a majority of appreciation during U.S. hours and none during Asia hours. And it was around like 4 o'clock in the morning, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, it just started coming down. I was like, yep. I told her, I said it. So it says, as you guys can see right here, man, this is crazy. So let's check out Bitcoin real quick, though. Bitcoin, we're on a daily chart. And I told people on the 18th, right here, you look straight down, the 18th, when the market was green, guys, take your profits. I'm taking my profit because full moon tomorrow. What happens? Full moon. Drips, dips, and boom. 20th, we're down. Full moon on the full moon yesterday, and it's coming down. So, guys, we got to stay above 4401. I keep saying we got to stay above 4401, but we got to get it to keep this thing going. We got to get above 48,463. I get above there, we got to close. You got to continue to go up. But right now, guys, that resistance is right at 47,343. That resistance is right there, 47,343. So, guys, then you have a bigger resistance at 48,463. So, guys, I mean, Bitcoin down 1.69% for the week. I mean, it's not terrible. We was here, we've been here. We've been hovering. We've been hovering here for a while. You can see we pretty much in consolidation stage right here. You know what I'm saying? So, but we got to get above 48,463, guys, and close above that in order to keep a continuation up to about over 50,000. But and we got to get above 54,000, but at the same time, guys, this 463, it's tough. We got to get above that. Ethereum, same thing with Ethereum. Told you guys, you got it. The market is the market. And you see what happened. Told you guys selling the green on 18th. What happened on 19th? Dips. And then today, dips down even more. So, guys, you got to, and we got to stay above 38.53. So right now we're at 38.15. We're still up almost 1% for the week. Right here, you guys can see, but we're down for the month over 13%. So that center rally, I mean, I'm not one of those people that sit there after we dump 20% and we go up 5%. Like, oh man, I told you we coming back. No. We're still down 15%. So that center rally, we'll see how it goes, but it had to be a strong center rally for us to get excited again. Seeing some money come back in the market is cool, but with this variant out right now, it's pretty tough. It's pretty tough with this variant because a lot of things is what people don't know, and when people start fearing a lot of things, you see all the market go back. Now the good thing is, usually when the market's tanked, the first one to come back is Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually the first one to come back out of all the big, or should I say crypto, but let's focus on Bitcoin. Bitcoin usually the first one to come back and come back strong. So during these times, like I said, if you want to accumulate Bitcoin, these are the times to accumulate Bitcoin. It's not financial advice, but if you're in it for the long term and the long road, then this is the time to accumulate Bitcoin because this is how it is. But let's look at the trends for the last few weeks, guys, on Bitcoin. I just want to focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the big dog, right? So for the on a weekly chart, let's see. Bitcoin, we have been down. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 out of 6 weeks we've been going down. So, this don't look good. But the thing about Bitcoin, man, it comes back strong, man. You know what I'm saying? And then you're like, okay, cool. But we got to make sure we stay above 44. Like I said, 44.01. Got to stay above 44.01. And then we go from there. But let's go, man. Let's get right to it. So it's a Bitcoin and Ether were again trading lower in Asian hours, continuing the year-long trend of losing ground, mainly when America is asleep. The decline comes as traditional markets turn a blind eye to China's interest rate cut and remain risk reverse. At press time, Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency by market value, was trading at 46.6, representing a 0.5% drop on the day. Ether was changing hands near 38.50, down nearly 2% on the day. Data provided by options trader Frederick Collins shows that Bitcoin and Ether has consistently faced selling pressure during the Asian hours this year. Yeah, usually by 3-4 o'clock. But you think about the London hours too. Usually about 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time, 3-4 o'clock in the morning Eastern time, you see that big dip too. Usually the real big dips happen around like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. But let's see what he says here. That show the Bitcoin and Ether has consistently faced selling pressure during the Asian hours this year. Most of the year-to-date gains made by Bitcoin and Ether 60% and 420% respectively have come during American hours, represented by 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. New York time. So it said both cryptocurrencies have taken a big hit in recent weeks, dragging the broader crypto market lower at the U.S. As the U.S. Federal Reserve and other major central banks begin unwinding the liquidity boosting stimulus to contain inflation. Bitcoin has declined more than 30% since peaking near 69,000 on November 10th, with sellers dominating the market during the Asian hours, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Beijing time. People know I like to trade during the Asian market. The trend continued on Monday, despite the People's Bank of China taking steps to cushion the economy from the negative impact of property market woes and renewed Rona concerns. The Chinese central bank announced a cut in its one-year loan prime rate, a de facto benchmark rate since 2019 from 3.85% to 3.8%, confirming the first reduction in nearly 2 years. Interest rate cuts tend to inject liquidity into the economy, thus perceived inflation hedges like Bitcoin, gold, and asset prices in general typically react positively to rate cuts, However, Asia equities are currently flashing red alongside a 1.10 drop in the futures tied to the S&P 500. Oil prices are down more than 3%, and the anti-risk currencies like Japanese yen are drawing safe haven bids. The market action suggests China's rate cut is perhaps too small compared to the impending tightening by the Fed and other central banks. Last week, the Fed signaled 3 rate hikes in 2022, and the Bank of England delivered a surprise interest rate hike. Heightened fears of the Rona lockdowns also appear to be overshadowing Beijing's move to improve market sentiment. European nations are reimposing stricter measures to stem the Omicron wave, and China's COVID-0 policies threatening to disrupt the global supply chain. So lockdown, supply chain disruption, inflationary, which are seen as a positive development for perceived store of value assets. Lockdowns are way over economic growth. However, elevated global price pressure, central banks appear to have little room for higher liquidity injection to prioritize growth, as they did after the first wave in the first half of 2020. Back then, inflation in the U.S. stood well below the Fed's 2% target, as the November U.S. inflation stood at a 4-decade high of 6.8%. So, like I say, there's not a lot of tools left in the tool, in in the tool bag. But like I said, it's temporary. It's a lot of fear. People don't know what this what this actually what's going to come from this variant. It's just different. You hear different things. It spread faster, but it's not as effective. It don't hit as hard. That's what some people are saying. Some doctors are saying. So we'll see how it all rolls out. But nobody knows. It's fear, right, in the market. So with that being said, we got to sit on the sideline and see. Don't try to be the first one. Don't try to be the smartest person. Don't be. You know what? I'm gonna buy it. You want to accumulate. You accumulate on these dips. But don't sit there and try to trade it. Sit sideline. Like I said, I'm chilling. I'm chilling for the rest of the year. If I see something that I'm just accumulating the things that I actually like Cardano. I'm buying some more of that. I'm buying some more Terra Luna on dips. I'm buying some more, obviously Binance, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I tell you my top 5. And I'm just gonna keep accumulating. And then Avalanche as well. Avalanche is a good one as well. So just keep accumulating these, the one that you like, because usually crypto come back faster than the rest of the other equities market. So, it's just something you want to think about. We'll see how this affects real estate as well. But NFTs, they're still doing their thing. The metaverse is still doing their thing. Metaverse coin is a safe buy. Every time you get these nice dips, you can buy the metaverse coin to assume the market get a little fresher breath of fresh air. Then these metaverse coins come back hard. They come back hitting hard. But yeah, guys. Besides that, guys, again, click the link below in the description box, and you guys be able to see the mastermind report link. Go get that mastermind report, guys. Next year, we're going to open up, I think, right around the 5th. We're gonna open up to whereas we had a Telegram. If you had a mastermind report, you're gonna be able to get inside a special Telegram. You'll get the you're actually gonna get the beginners course, crypto black beginners course. You're gonna get with the mastermind report. It's gonna come with it. And you guys will be inside that Telegram, and you want to chop it up. You be able to make the every single month, beginning of the month calls, and every week we're gonna have a call. Every Sunday we'll have a call going over the week ahead. So it's gonna be a lot of value gonna come with that. All right. So I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you stack your stacks and chills. You got Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. Guys, enjoy your holiday. Like I said, I might come back Wednesday. I'm not sure, but this is more than likely probably the last video for the year, But I'll see you guys in the next video. If not, I'll see you guys next year. Make sure you guys stack your stacks and chill. Ask me about Bitcoin, baby. We out of here, baby. Peace.